This is the kookaburra, the laughing bird. Kookaburra, or Dacelo novi-guinei, is a terrestrial kingfisher, native to Australia and New Guinea, mostly in humid forests, arid savannas, as well as in suburban areas. They're also known as the laughing kookaburra, or the laughing jackass, due to their loud and distinctive call that resembles human laughter. They can grow up to 47 centimeters or 19 inches, and weigh around 300 grams or 11 ounces. They are almost exclusively carnivorous, and their diet mostly consists of mice, insects, and small reptiles. Their laughing call is so iconic that it's being used widely in filmmaking, television productions, Disney theme park attractions, and even in several video games, including World of Warcraft, Battletoads, and Lineage 2.